Thank you everyone for coming and giving me a couple of minutes out of your football Sunday. Appreciate it. Today I'm going to be speaking on Nikola Tesla. Tesla was one of the greatest inventors of all time, yet remains relatively unknown today. His inventions were world-changing inventions. They're all around us every day. In his article for HowStuffWorks.com, William Harris wrote, Tesla's invention of the induction motor ushered in what some say was the second industrial revolution. Today I will be speaking on Tesla's early life, some of his inventions, and how they changed the world forever. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in what is now modern-day Croatia. According to his biography on biography.com, his mother was actually his primary influence and got him into electronics, as she often created small household appliances of her own for around the house in her spare time. When Tesla was 28, he migrated to the United States to work for Thomas Edison, who actually ended up being one of his main rivals later on in life. His employment there didn't last very long because Edison refused to pay him for work that he had done on some of his DC generators. And after Tesla moved on from that company, he began working for the George Westinghouse Power Company. It was there where he was really allowed to bring two of his primary and most famous inventions to fruition. Those were the induction motor and alternating current. Tesla's alternating current was actually far superior to Edison's direct current. The main advantage of alternating current, unlike direct current that can only flow in one direction, alternating current periodically changes directions. As Sean Heimel stated in his article on sparkfun.com, alternating current is actually also able to change voltages with the help of transformers. Transformer. Alternating current is also much easier to convey long distances than direct current, and that combined with its ability to be able to change voltages just made it a far superior and more efficient system. The second invention that Edison really was able to drive home alternating current with was his invention of the induction motor. The induction motor has two basic components. The stator, which is a bunch of compressed iron discs that can form electromagnets, and the rotor, which fits inside a shaft in the stator. The stator has poles that are magnetically charged and they're wrapped with a copper wire. There's a corresponding one 180 degrees over each one, and as an alternating current is conducted into that copper wire, it sends a positive and then a negative signal into it, causing the poles to change polarity, which is why they call it alternating current, as you can see by the sine wave up here. As the alternating current changes polarity, it'll start getting the magnets in the rotor to chase it, which causes the rotor to spin. And as the rotor spins, this is our induction motor right here, as the rotor will spin, it'll cause the pulley to move. As the pulley moves, it causes the fan to move, and that's how an induction motor works. After Tesla perfected the induction motor, it was pretty much the missing piece of the puzzle for alternating current to work. So now he was ready to show the world what alternating current could do. And he set up the world's first hydroelectric alternating current power plant in Niagara Falls. And with that, he was able to power the entire city of Buffalo, New York. That was what launched alternating current into prominence for the world's standard for power supply, which it still is today. Even today, Tesla's mark on the world can be seen all around us, from the power that runs our homes to the induction motors that still can bring our machines to life. And the world never been changed by the work of Nikola Tesla.